study the sample sample test for chapter 6. Okay, just trying to get my computer all set for this. Okay. So, here I'm going to move that up. Where are we? There we are. Come on. There we go. Okay. Write percent as decimal. Remember, this just means moving the decimal place 2 places, the decimal point. Okay, so there's a decimal place right. Oops, I need to set it up to draw. Apologies, I haven't done that yet. All right, no, we're good. All right, so that's your decimal place. We have to move it 2 places, so the answer is going to be 0.24. Again, 2 decimal places, 0.05. I would prefer that you put the 0 out front. You don't have to, but it does help place the decimal place for you. Okay, 1, 2. So point, we have 0.003. Please remember to box your answers. All right, each decimal as a percent. Now we move the decimal place the other direction. Becomes a big number, 35 instead of 0.35, 35%. You will need to write the percent sign. 1, 2, 80%. 1, 2, 230%. All right, write each percent as a fraction in lowest terms. All right, remember, to do that, we just divided it by 100 and then simplified. Well, 75 is 3 times 25, and 100 is 4 times 25. So our answer is 3/4. 120, if we put over 100, first thing I can do is get rid of the 2 zeros that line up. That's now I have 12 and 10. They both are even, so I can break this down, right? So this is 2 times 6 over 2 times 5. I can get rid of the 5s. There we go. 4 times 5, not times 5, 4.5. Put it over 100. Remember, putting it over 100, let's make this is going to move the decimal place. So if I move the decimal place 1 place, I have to move it for the bottom as well. So I end up, whoops, I went the wrong way. Apologies. All right, let's erase that. Where's my draw? There's draw. Do. Erase. Oh, I guess that's this guy. Let's just get rid of all of it. Okay, there we go. So I need it to go 1 place this way. Oh, I'm still doing that. I've got to set it back to draw. There we go. All right, set it back. I'm going to need to move it this way, so I need to gain a 0. So I've got 45 over 1,000. They both have 5 in them. 5 times 9. This one has 2 times 500. So it's 5. 500 is 5 times 100 times 2. That just helps me break it out. So I can get rid of the 5s, and I'm left with 9 over 200. Alrighty. Let's get D up here where we can see it. Sorry. Write each fraction as a percent. So we actually have to do the division, unless we can set it over 100, right? Because 5 goes into 100, I can turn this into 4 times 20 over 5 times 20, which is 80 over 100. Well, that tells me that the percentage is 80%. Sorry. A little bit of my brain went blank. Okay, 1/8. I can't really make eighth into hundredths, so I'm going to have to do the division. 1 divided by 8. Well, I have a decimal place, and I put the 0 down. So now if 8 goes into 10 once, subtract, I have 2. I bring down the 0. 8 goes into 20 twice. That's 16, and now I have 4. I bring down a 0. 8 goes into 40 exactly 5 times. So I've come to the end of it. So now I move my decimal, right? This is a decimal. So 1/8 is 12.5%, right? Because I move my decimal place 2 places. Okay. Use the percent formula or proportion. So again, this is your choice. I like to just write the sentence. What is my x is equal 25 as a decimal of is multiplication 224. So see, all I have to do is multiply those two numbers. So I grab my calculator, 0.25 times 224. 56. All right. What percent of 90 is 15? Well, I have to divide both sides by 90 to get that x all alone. Well, 15 goes into 90 4, 5, 6 times. 45 is 30%. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. 45 is 30% of what number? So if I divide both sides by 0.3, 45 divide 0.3, and I get 150. All right, not too bad. That's our first page. All right, a driver's test. A student answered 23 questions correctly on a 25-question test. All right, so we have 23 is to 25. What percent? So that's my x over 100. Okay, cross multiply. 25 or extremes and means. 25x equals 2300. Divide by 25. X is equal to 2300 divided by 25, 92. And that is the percent. Remember, when we're doing the proportion, because it's divided by 100, that is the actual percent. All right, a salesperson earns a 15% commission. If she sells $125,000 worth of RVs, what is her commission? So, in other words, what is 15% of 125,000? What is 15% of 125,000? Okay, 0.15 times 125, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Enter. There we are. 18750. Good job. All right. When out shopping for her children, Betty buys a coat for her daughter for $45 and a coat for her son for $40. The sales tax is 6%. What is the total cost of the two coats? Well, we have to add the two, find 6% of that, right? So we have 45 plus 40 is 85. Now we need 6% of 85. So now we take that number and we multiply it by 0.06. 85 times 0.06, and we get 5.1. $5.10 is our tax. So 85 plus 5.10, so our total merchandise plus our tax, we get $90.10, and that's going to be the total bill. All right. Used copies of a textbook go on sale for 40% off. What is the price of a book marked $123? So we're saying, what is 40% off of a book priced at $123? So we want 123 minus our percentage off. So 123 times 0.4. That's what we're getting off. That's the money we save. 123 times 0.4, 49.2. Okay, so we have to subtract $49.2. So 123 minus 49.2, we get 73.8. So $73.80. That is the price of a $123 book on sale. What's going on? Why'd you stop rolling for me? Oh, that's the end. No, sorry. Okay, 19. A secretary receives a 4.5% raise. If her salary was $35,000. All right, why are you doing that to me? I don't want you to. There we go. All right, $3,500 plus, that was her original salary, the raise. All right. Huh. They changed gender, her to his. Anyway, so we need to find out the amount of the raise. So that's 3,500 times 0.045. We put this in our calculator. 3,500 times 0.045, $1,575. So we add that to her current salary, or his current salary, and we get $36,575. All right, and now our last one. If $5,000 is invested at 8% simple interest, remember simple interest is just principal times rate times time. All right, if $5,000 is invested at 8% for 3 months, how much interest is earned? So the amount of interest is going to be 5,000 times 0.08 times, well, 3 months. Remember, we go annually. So 3 months is equal to 1/4 of a year. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so that means I use 1/4, which is 0.25. So I'm going to put all of this in my calculator. 5,000 times 0.08 times 0.25. I get $100. That is my interest. Okay, and we're done. Good job, guys. I'm sure you'll do well on the test.